Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you have just started with Claude AI and don't know what to do, in this video I'll show you exactly how to use it as a beginner. Claude AI is a smart assistant that can help you write, learn, code, and create content. So let's start from zero. Go to Claude AI and sign up using your email or Google account. Once logged in, click on New Chat to start. You can try prompts like explain AI in simple words, give me 10 video ideas. I gave the prompt, give me 20 YouTube video ideas about AI tools for beginners, keep them viral and high CTR. And Claude will respond instantly and clearly. You can also learn anything using Claude, for example, coding, English writing, marketing. Just ask, teach me a specific topic step by step for beginners. Claude can also create content for you. Ask, write a YouTube script or create a blog post idea. Be specific with your prompts, and instead of saying write a script, say something detailed like write a 3-minute YouTube script with hook, intro, main points, and outro on only 3 AI tools you'll ever need. That is basically the topic. So remember, better the prompt, more better the results will be. And that's how beginners can use Claude AI. Start simple, practice daily, and you'll get better fast. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.